Lasagna Cat from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, at en.wikipedia.org. Lasagna Cat is a web series created by Fatal Farm as a parody of the Garfield comic strips. The series was uploaded to YouTube and ran from November 9, 2007 to February 23, 2017. The series consists mainly of humorous live-action recreations of Garfield comics, as well as absurdist and dark humor. Section 1. Format. The majority of Lasagna Cat consists of live-action reenactments of Garfield, with each reenactment followed by an absurd interlude segment. Most of the series videos are only a few minutes long, with the exception of 07/27/1978 and Sex Survey Results, which are 1 and 5 hours long respectively. The series exists mainly to criticize the original Garfield comic style of humor and as a tribute to its creator Jim Davis. Section 2. Reception. Lasagna Cat was well received, with reviewers praising its insight into Garfield and comedy in general. It has been seen as a part of the widespread trend of weird Garfield internet memes. 07/27/1978, an hour-long episode in which actor John Blyth Barrymore philosophically monologues about his love of a Garfield strip published on the titular date, was the subject of a popular parody Twitter account. Additionally, the series was cited as an inspiration in the creation of the Adult Swim short Too Many Cooks. References and external links can be found on the text version of this article. This sound file and all text in the article are licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution Sharealike 3.0 Unported license, available at creativecommons.org/licenses/by-sa/3.0.